Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart English. Today, as you can see in the video title, we will practice small talk conversation.
If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our daily English practice videos.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alice, your speaking coach. Do you ever start a conversation and then suddenly run out of things to say? Like your English is technically correct, but it doesn't quite sound natural, and somehow the conversation just fades out.
Yeah, exactly. Or sometimes you want to jump into a small talk moment. You're listening, you're thinking, and then your mind just goes blank. And by the time you finally think of something, the moment has already passed.
Today, Harry and I will model real small talk that native speakers use every day.
We'll explore natural sentences, intonation, stress, and realistic situations.
And after each section, you'll get shadowing practice to build your muscle memory.
And by the end of this lesson, you'll sound more relaxed, more fluent, and much more natural in small talk. Let's get into it.
Let's start with the universal opener. How are you? Harry, give me your natural, real-life response, not the textbook one.
I'd say something like, I'm doing pretty well, thanks.
Good, but let's enrich it. A natural answer often includes a small detail, something light that gives the listener a picture. For example, I'm doing pretty well, thanks. I've been trying to start my mornings a bit earlier, and it actually feels good. Try that with proper rhythm.
Oh, okay, let me try. I'm doing pretty well, thanks. I've been trying to start my mornings a bit earlier, and it actually feels good.
Perfect. Let's give learners another option, something neutral and honest. I'm all right. It's been a steady day so far. Notice the softness when I say steady day.
I'm all right. It's been a steady day so far.
Great. Now, don't forget the return question. How about you? How's your day going so far?
How about you? How's your day going so far?
When you speak, keep your tone warm, not flat or robotic. Let a little bit of your personality come through. You don't need to sound perfect to sound natural. And try adding small details to your answers, just enough to keep the conversation moving, without oversharing. All right, now let's practice together. Listen first, then repeat with a relaxed, natural tone.
I'm doing pretty well, thanks. I've been trying to start my mornings a bit earlier. It's been a steady day so far. How's your day going so far?
Weather sounds simple, but it's actually a powerful small talk tool, especially when you connect it to how you feel. Harry, let's start very basic. Give us a simple weather comment.
I'd say something like, the weather's been really nice today.
Good. Now let's make it more human. Add a small reflection, something people can relate to emotionally. Try this. The weather's been really nice today. It kind of lifts my mood a bit.
The weather's been really nice today. It kind of lifts my mood a bit.
Nice. Your intonation there sounds relaxed and genuine. Now let's see how this can naturally turn into a longer conversation. Yeah, the sunlight makes everything feel a little more positive. I've actually been trying to take short walks during lunch when the weather is good.
Wow, Alice, that's a great habit. I should probably do that too. I don't get outside enough during the day.
That could be a really strong response, Harry. Talking about habits, especially small, everyday ones, is a great small talk strategy. It keeps the conversation going without feeling forced. Let's give our listeners another variation they can use, especially when the weather isn't perfect.
Oh, how about, it's been unpredictable recently. Sunny one moment, cloudy the next. It keeps me guessing.
All right, now let's practice together. Listen first, then repeat with a calm, natural tone, like you're chatting with a colleague.
The weather's been really nice today. It kind of lifts my mood a bit. Sunlight makes everything feel more positive. It's been unpredictable recently.
Now let's move into work-related small talk, but keep it soft and comfortable. Nothing too serious, just a natural way to check in. Harry, start with the question again.
How's work going these days?
Great. Here's a full answer that sounds natural and balanced. Not dramatic, not too detailed.
How about this one? Work's been going pretty well. The pace has picked up a bit, but it's the kind of busy that feels productive, not stressful.
Nice. The rhythm there sounds calm and professional. Now let's add one small follow-up detail to keep the conversation moving.
I've been working on a couple of projects that are actually quite interesting.
Good. I have a very natural listener response. Simple, supportive, and easy to say. That sounds great. It's always nice when work feels engaging.
That sounds great. It's always nice when work feels engaging.
Yes, that's exactly what I mean. Now let's go just one level deeper. Still professional, still light. I'm trying to improve my time management a bit. Just small changes like planning my day the night before.
That's a good idea. I've been trying something similar. I block time in my schedule so I can focus on one task at a time. It really helps me avoid distractions.
Exactly. This is a very natural exchange. Two professionals sharing experiences and strategies without oversharing personal details. All right, now let's practice together. Repeat after Harry with a steady, relaxed tone.
What pace has picked up, but in a good way. It's the kind of busy that feels productive, not stressful. I've been working on a couple of interesting projects. I've been trying to improve my time management. I block time to focus on one task at a time.
Another easy and very natural small talk angle is daily life. Routines, habits, and small everyday changes. Harry, ask me about my week.
How's your week been so far?
Nice. A friendly, natural response could sound like this. It's been pretty good. I've been trying to add a bit of structure to my evenings. Maybe a short workout or some reading before bed.
It's been pretty good. I've been trying to add a bit of structure to my evenings. Maybe a short workout or some reading before bed.
That sounded very natural. Now, keep the conversation going by sharing a small detail about your own routine.
I've actually been experimenting with cooking lately. Nothing fancy, just simple meals. But it's been fun.
That's a perfect daily life small talk topic. It's light, positive, and easy for other people to relate to, which is exactly what good small talk should feel like. Now let's practice together. Repeat with a relaxed, conversational tone.
I've been trying to add more structure to my evenings. A short workout or some reading before bed. I've been experimenting with cooking lately.
All right, let's wrap things up. When you want to end a small talk conversation politely and professionally, use warm closing lines like this. It was really nice chatting with you. I always enjoy our conversations.
It was really nice chatting with you. I always enjoy our conversations.
Good. Now add a simple, smooth exit. Something positive, but not too long. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Perfect. That sounds friendly, respectful, and very natural. Exactly how you want to leave a conversation. Now let's practice together. Repeat with a warm, relaxed tone.
It was really nice chatting with you. I always enjoy our conversations. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, one last round. Listen and repeat after me, naturally. I've had a steady day so far. The weather lifts my mood a bit. Work's been productive, not stressful. I've been adding more structure to my evenings. It was really nice chatting with you. Amazing work today. These sentences might sound simple, but they're powerful, and they'll help you feel more confident in real conversations.
And remember, the more you practice shadowing, the more natural everything will start to feel. One day, you won't even think about the words. They'll just come out.
Thanks so much for learning with us today. We'll see you in the next lesson.